Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your profile picture in OkCupid app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change your profile picture, you need to go to your profile settings. So here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner, tap on it. Now that you're in your profile settings page, you can see your profile name and your profile picture at the top section. You can see this pencil icon right beside it, tap on it. Now tap on this edit photos option. So in OkCupid, whichever photos is in the first place, that will be your profile picture. So if I want to make this other picture my profile picture, I just have to tap and hold on this picture and I'll drag it to the first place. That's it. Now your profile picture will be changed. If you go back and close this app and relaunch the app again, and if you go back to your profile again, now that you can see the profile picture is now changed. So that's it. That's a very easy process of changing your profile picture in your OkCupid account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.